Done, done, done. Ramon, I don't like chasing, man. I'd rather you just wait for the next setup. I haven't
Yeah,
gotten one yet, Ramon, either. So I'm gonna get one here in a little while, I'm sure. But
me neither.
I mean, I'm a very picky guy. So the one I really liked was that first long signal, with the wick out of the zone. And I was just fooling around with you guys and didn't jump in on it. Second one, very valid buy signal from first touch on the ES, range, perfect range bar entry almost. So good entry, just not exactly what I wanted. Kind of. If I'd seen the W on the first touch roll, I'd probably jumped in on the second leg. Um, YM, you had a couple decent little entries there. Rams being a little rougher to trade this morning than the ES. Red Ramon. Well, you got the first one. That's good. Just be patient. Let me ask you: the first touch rule only applies to ES and YM. Can it also work for CL and Q? Yeah, it can work for everything, as long as you have your tick chart set to the right setting. I don't have. I have the NQ tick chart setting. I don't know the CL or gold setting.
For which
NQ we're at 266 on the tick chart setting.
yeah,
What are you using on gold and crude
I
as your
just
tick chart?
yeah. So 266 is fine. It's basically the
On
same.
NQ or gold and crude?
Yeah, because they move about the same distance wise.
Okay, there you go.
You know what I
There
mean?
you go. Yeah, 266. You use that for all three. There you go. And you'll get your first touch rules.
I came up with some uh, range chart settings for them, but I didn't know if you want me to round them or if you want me to use the like I think one's like 24 and the other one's like I don't know 27 or
You
something.
want to just email me a couple screenshots and examples? You want to do
Okay,
that?
yeah,
Let's do that.
deal.
ES, you can move your stop to 4125 or 125. Sorry. YM, now you can have your stop at, I still like this ATR stop on the YM because it's keeping you right behind there. So
You see that
uh,
pullback? It came right down to about
585.
a couple ticks from where I said.
Yes, that's exactly. So now we're looking long. A couple minutes, a minute till the open, guys. So
Should break.
those that are long, just have your stop in where we said to put your stop in. Stay in it.
Ooh,
There's your open.
just bucket.
Everybody else, just be patient. Wait. Wait a few minutes. We have a 6 minute rule here. Wait your 6 minutes.
Your last pattern in this
Ruin,
went straight up. This is probably going to go down then.
which that typically signifies that they're going to start selling it.
Hmm. Could be wrong. Could always go for like that rocket ship bleeder and then just dies.
Typically, when you see that, it's people trying to unload the contract. But let's see. Well, we'll see. We don't know.
We did break it. Oh no! Did we break this
Not
one?
quite.
No. Okay, yeah, no, it's under it. The zone is
Now
this.
they're selling. So be patient, guys. Again, we're not. We say 6 minutes. We say to wait 6 minutes for everybody. Those of you that are new to us, we say to wait 6 minutes. What are we really waiting for, guys?
Choose a direction.
Clear direction. Let the institutions battle it out. Let them clear. Let them flush out their contracts first. Then we will start following the leader. That's all we do here is play follow the leader. Follow the leader. There's your long. They did push it up. I mean,
It's getting there. They're gonna force it.
selling YM, buying the ES.
Guys, if you're in long, stay long right now because they're forcing it up. They're channeling it. It's gonna, as long as you can stomach the pullback.
Somebody's trying to find a spot to unload some contracts is what it is here.
Yeah. Starting to go sideways right there, but it should pull back in. There it goes right here.
You got that candle on here. Check this out. This candle on May. What is it? May 23rd. What is the high of that? 32.75. Somewhere between here and there. You would think that they're going to try to start unloading that.
I can't count. Reading's hard.
Reading. I don't think that counts as counting either.
I always get it mixed up.
I can't read. Well, you're counting. I can't count. You're reading. Now I'm afraid to buy here or sell here. It should create a decent sell signal there.
I got up in the zone too, huh?
Yeah, it should create a decent sell signal. Let's see. All right. I'm going to put a sell stop in because I think that we could probably take a chance on this. If it pushes up any further, I'm going to cancel it there.
She's flush against the top right there. That means they're putting all the, well, you would say they're putting all the pressure, but they're liquidating. They're grabbing liquidity right now because they went down first. Now it's up. Doing the same thing. If we can't get back up, continue pushing.
Yep. That's lit, puppy.
They shut it down right at the last second. Still doing a liquidity grab. Here comes. That's showing that they can do it, that they can go. So no matter what from here, even if they pull back, it's going to keep going.
Yep. Now we're buying, guys.
I did it. I found it.
Hey.
Too late. I do want to talk about your zone placement.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's like one under mine. And so I just want to know.
Yeah.
Mine was the in bouncing off the rally base rally. Yours is more inside.
I was trying to make this transparent. Why did that not happen? Hold on just a second. Let's try this again. Upper band, transparent, lower band, transparent, apply. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so I think either two are valid points. One of it, we're gonna do this one day. We're gonna do this together one day because we're so close, and I know that there's I think we just have a hair. We'll talk about it offline.
Thing for me, so that's why.
Yeah, let's talk about it offline because like
Like it
there's a
would.
slight thing that I want like we'll cover. A nice little M cell signal on the Y on the ES, but and my cell stop would have ended up working. And you had your zone up 2 more ticks on that one too, didn't you?
I did.
Yeah.
Yeah, it would have bounced right off the top, and then it would have failed to hit it on the second one.
Bingo.
But again, mine's just purely visual,
Get
so it's
some
like
in
there's
here.
no secret formula.
Right. Right. And I go by the numbers. That's probably why
Right.
we're off by like
Right.
I go by the exact numbers.
And
I think
I'm,
that's really why we're off by
mine
ticks
equates
each
somewhere
time.
somehow, but I wouldn't be able to tell you what they are at all.
Yeah.
The
That's
pi,
really the difference.
cube, circle.
Another buy signal from that zone on the ES.
You have
Missed
degrading,
that. Roar. That's the
degrading
one I wanted.
touches here to the zone. If it holds like this, it should reject right here.
Well, the YM, you don't really have YM's tough. If you didn't buy back here at this buy signal on right around 932, which would have been hard because that was on the open. So you're waiting for a pullback on the YM to buy. ES, you just got the little pullback in a zone for a buy signal. But again, guys, we're just now in the 7 minute mark. So so just wait for a pullback, patiently waiting for a pullback to buy. Job, James. Good job. Get your targets off. I guess I'm just gonna sit here and watch and be a spectator all day, huh?
Yeah, I just tried one, and it was too early. Small.
Possibly call this a bull flag, but I don't like that it didn't break that we're not above the prior high. I hate the flags being my first entry of the day though.
Yeah. Straight indecision going sideways, that was usually a bullish thing. And I was trying to go against that.
I mean, you could almost just press a buy button here and just set in like a pretty decent stop if you got the account size
For life.
right around 8. That's a big stop.
But it would probably work out if you could absorb it.
No, it would work out
Was it like
if you
a
bought here and had your
35%
stop at 8.
year?
Or, yeah, that's too big a risk for anybody I want taking here, unless you got the big account.
Probably going to come back down to that swing point at 40 or 408. Retest that.
Keep in mind, first touch rules are working too, guys. So
Yeah. Within reach.
yeah, if those line up close, that's a decent buy signal. Still not 100% sold on the long side, but this is what the market's telling us. Buy pullbacks right now.
So
Buy
retest.
pullbacks.
Probably going to get shut down. I bet that.
Good job this morning so far, everyone. What's that?
Bet that move up is the distance to the 89 right there. Right to it.
Arms just eking.
talking away. I'm not even on the
I
mic.
was wondering that.
I'm not even on the
Cool.
mic.
We did. It's cool. We didn't miss you.
I was thinking, why are you not listening to me?
I'm gonna start throwing in. Yeah,
We?
yeah.
No, that's true. That doesn't matter whether I'm on the
We're
mic.
supposed to. We're supposed to listen to you.
I literally,
Oh,
for the
man.
last 5
I've
minutes,
been
have
doing
been
it wrong
talking.
the whole time.
I've been talking for the last 5 minutes. I'm not even on the mic. Wow, I'm
You're
losing
doing
it.
great.
Losing it. What were you saying about the 89? The distance of the 89? Wait for it.
So you know when you get a block of candles like this, it'll do a retest. I was like, I bet that retest, the height of it
Oh, I know what
is
you're
the
saying.
size
Okay.
of what the distance is
Never,
to the
yeah,
89,
I understand now.
because they want to get to the
Comes.
89 so they can get the
Here's
buyers.
08.
Like Pokemon, you want to get them all.
Pokemon. All right, guys. A
Missed
few
it.
good trades this morning. You had the long there on the YM. That was a nice long. Had the retrace long on the YM. And now you should just be long on the YM.
Long.
Yes. Looking for a place to get long on.
I would like it if it manipulated the low of that zone and hit the 89.
That's
Hit
that would be a, and then you get a buy candle inside that zone.
Mm-hmm. It would have been
That's I'll buy on that. I'd be a buyer on that.
26 candles in on this. Give it another 8. Launch time. Or dump.
Maybe I trade ZNQ 26 long. Never
Get
mind.
out.
It's gone. That was quick.
Yeah, you almost have to like precog this.
Yeah, I didn't say it fast enough.
there.
Sorry.
I think next time I see that wick like that in the middle,
Told you I'd be a buyer on that one.
Dang it.
close of the red one. Green indecision,
Now
green
get on up here.
down, take it at the close. Low risk.
Guaranteed win. There we go.
It didn't dip down. It put a wick down there, but it didn't really go down.
Yeah, that I took you on that with that being a good buy signal because I just like that was too easy. I'm gonna turn this off now. Perfect 9-tick rule entry too. You're welcome. Thank you, market, for doing what I wanted you to do. I appreciate you.
That was nice. I
Get
missed it.
myself to guaranteed a whole $25, $20 to $37.50. Guaranteed a whole $37.50 on this one.
Indecision sideways, that's usually bullish. As it dips down there first. Dips down first.
Just buying pullbacks on the YM now, guys. All right, well there we go. How many people are in this one? We just talked through that one for 1,000 seconds.
1,000 seconds.
We did.
Some
Stop.
arbitrary-
We can use 1150 now. Good job, Stretch. Good job, Taylor. Gunter, did you follow me?
I'm in. It'll
I
stay.
did it.
Something crazy here.
Gunter, this was yours, buddy. Oh man, dang it. Okay. That next one. We get the next one. We'll get the next one.
Don't worry, Gunner. I didn't get it either.
I
I think
told
we're gonna hit 89
guys,
now.
what Lulu? What part of if it stays above 02 are you not buying?
That's all right.
Buyers are going to start
took the
jumping on board here, people.
Just took the breakout here. I'm good.
Staying in it.
I'm good.
Stops to 13 on the ES.
You heard it here first.
You heard it here first. Buyers are jumping in. I'm trying to tell you guys,
Oh, she
you're
gone.
buying pullbacks on the YM. You're buying pullbacks on the ES now. Buyers will jump on board now. We have all the way up till about 30 on the ES. We have all the way up until
She
that
gone.
770 on the YM at least.
She hadn't even started stretching out yet.
Yeah. Let's go.
Pullback's going to be decent on this, so be patient.
I'm gonna go mid Bollinger 14 even.
Yeah, that's where I'm at.
You're gonna bounce off R2. Then you should see some reaccumulation, I guess.
So, learned this trick last night.
Stay long on the
Nice.
YM, people.
Nice.
Ed C. We were just
Ed, there
we
you
were
are.
just
Ed.
thinking that you left because the other Ed came in. We got a new Ed, and we're like, battle of the Eds.
Too many Eds.
Battle of the Eds.
Does not compute. Too many heads.
Put 1470. We'll go 1475 just to stay in this puppy. Actually, you know what? Oh, I'm afraid of that
Go,
R2,
baby,
but you
go.
could really be at 16.
You got to bounce
Trying
off
to
this
make-
R2.
Pull
I'm
this
at 1650. Is that too tight?
I'm going to go 1575 below that last red.
Well, I got in late though, so I don't really want to. Yeah, she's coming back.
Bottom left chart. Whose screen? Mine?
Bottom left chart. What is
You
it?
got to tell me what screen, Ramon. I have my analysis
Oh,
screen, which
yeah.
is my larger time frames,
Thank you.
and then I have my trade screen. Is it analysis or trade? Oh, don't come back and get me. Come on. Push through this. Push through this little R2 here, guys. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. There's a data box. Oh, bottom left's my range chart, and then I have a data box here just so that when I look at things, I can see what the numbers are. If I'm looking at highs or lows or something, it gives me the numbers. Yeah. So I like to keep the data box around. Usually it's on my analysis screen. I just have it here today so I can quickly look and say, okay, what's the high here? Are we going to be below this? What is that low? 17. So you could really be at 1675 technically on your stop. So that's why I use it. That's why I have it here today. It doesn't really matter where you have it. Does that make sense, Ramon? Just gives me a quick place to reference numbers that I want to look at. A little M forming on the ES from that R2 area. It's gonna come back and get me. Oh no. Decent trade though.
There you go. There's your 89.
Hey,
So it wanted to break out and use the 89. It didn't want to use it. Into-
really, at some point, thing should try to push toward that 30 area on the ES. And above here on the YM, you should try to get to that 770 area, which isn't far away. Those that are long. Oh well. Still a decent win trade.
I mean, again, on this.
Push up. Come on. You can do it, buyers. Where are you? Where are you at, buyers? Come on. Get a little pullback here on the YM. Might give you a little actionable long item here. Same with the ES. Get a little pullback. Might see a little actionable long item. So basically, if it stops us out, you might end up with a buy signal. If it doesn't stop us out, we're going to stay in this for an
Yeah.
official
For a month.
while. A month. I'll stay in it for the rest of the year. So what's the expiration date? I'm going to stay in until
Till 12. Yeah, end of the year.
What a decision.
Or 9 September. There you go.
These 12 candles will set like half of the year
stay in this till 9/24.
on the 699 tick chart.
Yeah.
Woo! It is strong.
Oh, push through that R2. Let's go. Come on.
She's trying.
Why is it not showing on my? It used to show on my tick chart. I need to put my. indicators. EMA, parabolics, tick counter, pivots. It says the pivots are on it.
Wall right
Daily
here.
bars. Maybe I remove it and add it back. Remove.
What
Bring
is
it
it?
back to pivots. Right. Let's go on bar close. I'm gonna use
There's the
daily
reach.
bars.
So now it's finding support on top of itself, and then it should actually break out.
And let's see if we can get apply here and see if we put that pivot on. Yeah, there we go. All right. And we're off to the races for a runner. I'm gonna use 1750 now. Anybody that's still in with me? Following my stops. See how well my stops work, guys? Nope, I went to 1775. What was that low on that last little pullback there? 1875. What was that low?
Yeah, be up here. So come down,
19,
find
so we
support on
could-
top of this 21.
1775 was that last wiggle below? Oh, below the pivot there.
So you might have to come down to 20.
I think so.
She
I
comes.
mean, they're playing this. Yeah, there you
Oof.
go.
Jeez.
So if you got back in on the long side, gave you guys the warning for the YM. You should have targets off, stops to no lose, maybe even flat
you-
now.
1750.
We're at 1775 right now. For me personally,
You should be okay.
should have closed. I should have closed it down at 2075 and got my 10 points and called it a day.
I was over at
Oh,
yeah.
well, it's gonna take me
2050.
flat here.
It took me out.
Good trade, people. Good job.
1775 to the tick. Gosh, that sucks.
Oh my goodness, seriously. And there's another buy signal coming.
Yeah, a little bit of liquidity grab in between the two swing points there. Another retest probably right here. We want it to be higher, yeah. Look at that, close back on top. Want that to hold. There you go. Now it should break right there. Control box. Tap it right here. Pop out. Or are we way above?
Pull
Now we're
back some
underneath.
now.
Yeah, now we're underneath. It's going to tap it back into the middle here at 1825.
Nice, guys. Nice job.
Ooh, instant rejection.
Yeah. That's what I was telling everybody a little bit earlier, Ed. I don't think you're in here, but if we stayed above that level and we had that type of price action, we should be looking long, buying pullbacks.
I am here.
Well, I'm happy with that trade. Everybody else happy? 3 on the ES. You got 3 real good long winners in a row. A couple people got some good shorts out of it. Lulu probably shorted this. YM, you had two good chances to get long on the YM. You might be getting a better one now, but again, price action says chill out until you get a W.
Coming down quick.
W.
So usually when it's bleeding like that real hard, like fast like that, that's usually a liquidity grab real quick to try to find a pocket of buyers.
It would probably be down in this zone right now.
Mm-hmm. Back where it
Bought
exploded.
from here once. This is a decent little retest trade too, I guess. If you could look at it on the long side. I'm not gonna take a lot of risk.
Maybe manipulate the low right here. After it built it, now it's going to manipulate it and then go up.
I would like that. I'm a little too loose on that. I need to get rid of it.
Here it comes.
Oh, there you go. Okay, give me a little wonky W. I'll take that. I just
Boom.
having a hard time with this one, y'all. I don't like it as much as I did the last one. I want a tight target, and I don't want to give back my money.
Here she
Come on,
go.
go get my target. Give me a quick target here. Let me go get a quick target just to grab a couple ticks here.
Come on,
Get my target, please. Get my target. Don't want to give my money back.
hit the 89 and then reject off if you want.
Don't want to get my money back.
As far as that. 3
Should you would think it would probably try to push up there now.
Yeah, 12 ticks. Yeah, that's easy.
Hey, there we go. 2 winners in a row.
Wiener.
Winner, chicken dinner.
Like
Tightening
Vienna
that
sausage
puppy
is
up,
on
so I'm guaranteed money on it. I don't care if it gets stopped out. There you guys go. Another long trade for you.
another one.
Another one from the zone too, guys. Look at these zones. Can you believe zones work like that?
Sounds worked.
Guaranteed profits. Let's do some guaranteed profits on this puppy.
I'm out.
I'm gonna go to break even just because I'm afraid of
my
where it's gonna go from here. Hopefully it keeps going up. If not, we're good. There we go.
Hey.
Hey, hey, hey. How about that one, Gunner? Did you get that one on the W? Please say yes. Please, sir, say yes.
Mm.
Oh man. I'm gonna get you one of these. I'm gonna get you one. I'm gonna get you one. Get you one, Mr. Gunter. Keep pushing up now. Yep. Ah, that one got you. That one got me. Still wants to go up though, it looks like, guys. But I'm gonna be wary of calling any longs for the near term. As a matter of fact, I have got to go do a mandatory coffee break real quick. I'll be back in just a minute. I'll leave this in here. You're only losing trade, messing around, guys. Trade from these zones. I wish I was still long on this. I just pulled my stop too tight. I was being a pansy there. I had a good winning trade before and didn't want to give the money back. I don't want to give any more money back.
Got a long off the 89.
There you go. 200, you mean?
Is it? Oh, I'm on the wrong tick chart. Sorry. Yes. 200.
200 on the YM long signal. I think I saw you somewhere, Ed. Let me do this. Nice, James Z. Guys, telling you, trade from the zones. Look at this. The zones work. Trade from them. You should still be long. I pulled my stop too tight like a pansy. Don't do it. But I was in, a little bit later than I wanted to be in on it. So, oh well. I have got to step away for just a second. I'll be right back.
The YM is going to be able to pull back here to retest this W. Just waiting for some volume confirmation now. So right now, if you look, you got this is up at the high here. I want it to kind of drop down, or I need a red spike right here. Or color change up here, one of my other charts. Liquidity grab, hard channeling right there. Take a low risk trade right here. The red did come in right there, peep through for a second. Let's peep it through again. This one's selling right there. I'm trying to push it down. Still green on my other chart. Got me. Let's see if it pops this. Same thing on the ES. I want to put this back to 33 on this one because it's weird.
Careful going too many times to the well on the long side now, guys. Be careful.
Just bleeding. Come on now. Now. All right. Maybe one more time. Going long. Should get back up to at least this low point of the swing, which is at 600.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Hopefully you enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room for live trade calls, you can start a free 3-day trial. Just use the link in the description below to join us in the room. Please like, subscribe, and share.